Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix um, Google Chrome downloads not showing at the bottom here. So as we all know, the newest update on Google Chrome, the downloads will appear now here on the right side, upper right side. But traditionally we are used to the downloads at the bottom here. So I'll show you what that means. So let's go ahead and, for example, download a random picture right here. So like that. And as you can see, it will show here. But I'll show you on how you can do this. So as you can see, so here, as you can see here, so I'll teach you guys on how you can bring that back. So all you need to do is go ahead and go over to the Chrome shortcut here. Find the Chrome shortcut, right click, properties, and then go ahead and go to target here. And what you want to do is go ahead and paste this code right here. So I'll also put this in the description. So all you need to do is uh, after the quotation, so there, all you need to do is paste this code. So disable features dash disable dash features equals download bubble. Hit apply and then hit OK. And all you need to do is restart Google Chrome and you should be good to go. But another one, if that does not work, so go ahead and go over to Google and we need to download old version of this. So you need to search for up to down old version of Google Chrome. So here all you need to do is go over to this site. Make sure you go over to the Windows site. As you can see, all you need to do is browse older versions of Google Chrome that are using that feature. So I think it will be around early 2023, so it should be over January to uh, February release or March or April. So there also 2022 if you want. So there guys, so that is how you can basically fix this issue and show the downloads at the bottom bar here. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.